Okay, I have something special for Easter Sunday, which is fast approaching. I don't know about any of you, but I've always thought it would be absolutely amazing to witness somebody actually being resurrected. Or for other belief systems, witnessing somebody being reincarnated. I think either one of those would be mind-blowing to witness. Well, that's kind of the theme today because I have two sets of 4 cards that we're going to mix thoroughly with input by you. And we'd like to see if there's a restorative power to Easter Sunday. Okay? Now we're going to do everything with the cards face up, which is almost never done in card magic. Okay, so first off, tell me how you like these stacked. You want the queens on the kings? Okay, very good. Now what we're going to do is I'll begin to just deal out the cards here. Which pair would you like me to pick up first? Top right, bottom left, top left, bottom right. Okay. We can actually do a Charlier shuffle if you'd like. And now what we're going to do is spell Easter Sunday. So E-A-S-T-E-R, drop the rest on top, Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y, Easter Sunday. Now, I need you to help me mix these cards beyond the knowledge of any mortal, okay? So first off, I think what we'll do is we'll go ahead and maybe just deal them out into 2 piles. Random stacking decided by you. You want left on right? Okay. We can deal out into 4 piles like this. How would you like these stacked? Top row on the bottom or bottom on top? We can even stack the left side on top of the right side if you'd like. You want the left on right? Okay, very good. How would you like these stacked? Bottom on top. Okay, very good. Let's see, what else could we do to just really scramble the cards? We can do an up jog. Have you seen an up jog before? Even or odd up jog. This is an even up jog with random stacking decided by you. Right on left? Okay, very good. We can even do a Klondike shuffle into 4 piles. Kind of a fun way to go. Klondike pairs to the table. Would you like the bottom row on top of the top, vice versa, or the right column on top of the left, or vice versa? You want the bottom on top. How would you like these stacked? Right on left. Okay. Well, let me just show you how well mixed the cards are so far. Okay, they're very much entangled right now, the cards there, as you can tell. Why don't we do a mange? Now, it comes in 2 varieties, over-under or under-over. Which one would you like? You want it over-under? Okay, so you push the top card into your other hand. The next one goes over, under, over, under, over, under, over. Would you like to perform a second one? You don't. Okay, that's just fine. And then maybe to finish, we'll do what's called push-off pairs. Here you just push off pairs of cards into this square configuration, and we'll give you the same large list of options for stacking these. You want the left column on top of the right, and then the bottom on top of the top pile. Okay. Well, at this point, I think we're just going to now try the virtue of Easter Sunday to see if we can bring a restoration of the cards to their original state as groups of 4. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just spell Easter, E-A-S-T-E-R, drop the rest on top, Sunday, S-U-N-D-A-Y, okay? And at this point, I'll just deal out the cards left, right, left, right. And we'll quickly discover whether we were able to restore our 2 sets of 4. Okay, so left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. We did indeed. Check that out. Well, if you just do what I did, it works for you every time. So thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.